Question. P.S. If x and y are positive integers, and x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 11 equals 0, what is the value of x times y? Solution. The logic of the variable approach. The variable approach is a very fast and efficient method for solving certain types of DS questions. It depends on the number of variables and the number of equations. In the general case, a solution exists when there is the same number of variables as there are equations. But in the integer case, we can still have a solution even when the number of variables and equations are different. We have to find the value of x times y. If x and y are positive integers, and x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 11 equals 0. Now, the question gives us the equation x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 11 equals 0. Now, the question gives us two variables, x and y. But one equation, x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 11 equals 0. Now, since x and y are integers, even when the number of variables and equations are different, we can still have a solution, which we can rearrange to get x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y equals 11. And from there, we get x plus 2 times the whole of y minus 3 whole plus 6 equals 11. Move the 6 to the other side, and we have x plus 2 whole times whole of y minus 3 equals 11 minus 6. Or x plus 2 whole times whole of y minus 3 equals 5. Now we have 5 as a product of two positive integers, which is 5 equals 5 times 1. So, x plus 2 times of whole y minus 3 equals 5 times 1, and we can take x plus 2 equals 5 and y minus 3 equals 1. Rearranging the equations gives us x equals 3 and y equals 4. Also, we can take x plus 2 equals 1 and y minus 3 equals 5, which gives the answer x equals negative 1 and y equals 8. However, 5 can also be the product of two negative integers, which is 5 equals negative 5 times negative 1. Plugging negative 5 and negative 1 into the equation, we get x plus 2 whole times y minus 3 equals negative 5 times negative 1. And we can take x plus 2 equals negative 5 and y minus 3 equals negative 1, or x equals negative 7 and y equals 2. We can switch negative 1 and negative 5 in the equations to get x plus 2 equals negative 1 and y minus 3 equals negative 5, or x equals negative 3 and y equals negative 2. Therefore, the different possible solutions for x comma y are 3 comma 4, negative 1 comma 8, negative 7 comma 2, and negative 3 comma negative 2. Since x and y are positive integers, the only possibility is x equals 3 and y equals 4. That means that we get x times y equals 3 times 4 equals 12, and E is the correct answer. The important idea here is that we replace the variables in the question with x plus 2 times of whole y minus 3 because the coefficient of x equals negative 3, and the coefficient of y equals 2 in the x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 11 equals 0. In the next step, we found numbers that match the equation. That is, we get x times y minus 3 times x plus 2 times y by expanding x plus 2 times of whole y minus 3. Answer E.